Now that we have learned how to add security device, let's see how to add the accessories. From the Smart Security screen, click on Add in front of the motion detector. When you click on Add, a pop-up will come. Now, switch on the motion detector and you can see a light blink. Now save this signal in your security device. Similarly, click on Add in front of the door sensor. Now bring the two door sensors together and remove them again and you can see a light. Now save the signal in your smart security sensor. As you can see, both the accessories has been added to your security device. Now you can choose the setting of your security device either on home setting or on security setting. As you can see, the moment any motion happens in front of the motion detector, the security alarm will start. Similarly, when two door sensors are separated, the security alarm will again be triggered on. In addition to this, from the Smart Security screen, you can decide the volume settings of your alarm as shown and also decide whether you want to switch the light signal on or off. Apart from that, you can choose the menu from top right section and choose to rename the device, remove the device or share the device.